around 5 knots, shifting south in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Tuesday night, southeast wind 5 to 10. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for north central Lee County until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Tanglewood, 7 miles north of Lexington, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Tanglewood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA Weather Radio, Station W.